Dawn here again with another leadership video from ibizresources.com. Effective business leaders know their current future success depends on their ability to consistently make better business decisions. The internet offers us the opportunity to easily research the decisions we make in advance, whether we are considering products or services from around town or around the world. We hope these videos help you achieve long-term success and make a positive impact on your profitability. By the way, we're using a voice recognition robot for this presentation. After listening, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay, let's get started.
Commercial air conditioning is pretty much a necessity for almost any kind of business or public building. It is important for comfort, health and safety to keep the environment around us temperate and clean. The importance of climate control has led to an entire industry. HVAC contractors are now plentiful in most areas, and can help to outfit your building properly to maximize environmental safety, while minimizing costs. This is particularly important in this day and age, when keeping an eye on the bottom line is especially necessary. Proper ventilation, heating, and air conditioning are the three main environmental needs of all buildings. It is important for the temperature to remain comfortable no matter what the weather, and for fresh air to be able to circulate throughout, to aid in proper breathing. Because certain electronic equipment can be compromised by temperature extremes, keeping a temperate climate can save a lot of time and money, by avoiding costly shutdowns or repairs. Not to mention comfort. HVAC contractors are trained to know exactly what is required for a building, and to install the necessary equipment properly. With our environment constantly being inundated by any number of airborne pollutants, the need for proper air circulation is more important than ever. While most of us take commercial air conditioning for granted, for those who own businesses, it's a high priority. Having a comfortable work environment makes it much easier to get through the workday, and can encourage customers to frequent their business, driving up profits. Providing for the good health of employees and customers is what air conditioning and ventilation is all about.
Thanks for investing your valuable time with us here today. Business leaders and consumers alike know that when they make better decisions, they get better results. The internet offers each of us the ability to get the information we need quickly and easily, helping us locate products, services, and opportunities around the country or around town. We want to help you succeed long-term through our video series. Visit our website by clicking the link in the description area below to learn more. Until next time, all the best.